check me out then. Check me out, yeah. The Uma, my man Fife, my man Cons. What? Yo, something for your ear hole, so you could clean them shits out. It seem that some don't understand what I'm talking about. How you get West Coast nigga from West Coast hater? I can never diss a whole coast, my time is too greater. True. Yeah, we from the East land of originators. We also from the Western land of innovators. Only difference of the two is the style of the rap, plus the musical track. This beat shit is so whack. Let me let y'all brothers know I ain't no West Coast disser. Another thing I'm not is a damn ass kisser. So listen to my words as I set things straight. I ain't got no beef, so don't come in my face. Yo, keep it moving. Yeah, to the K-I-M. Keep it moving. Yeah, to the K-I-M. I ain't got no time for shucking and jiving. Keep it moving. Yeah. Keep it moving. Yeah, to the K-I-M. Keep it moving. Yeah, to the K-I-M. I ain't got no time for shucking and jiving. Hip hop, a way of life. It doesn't tell you how to raise a child or treat a wife. I verbalize.